I am in odd future. Here I am in odd future, and it's like, oh, I can't believe I would come so far. LightningDudes Dream World, odd future. Here we are. LightningDudes Dream World, odd future. Here we are. Oh, Lily Cole is busy at the moment because I already sent in the voice, or not the voice, the gem message. So my gem energy, or not energy, my gem powers are fading away. It's only at 6% now, almost at 5%. I need somebody to power this thing up, but I don't know who could, except for my father, but I don't want him to go. So let me at least. This TNT will get deal kit. Wait, I'm not in the right universe. What happened? Look like I feel like I touched that energy ball thingy. Then I turn into like Dio and some kind of version of Dragon Lord and a fire person. I forgot what it was. So I need somebody to at least put that thing, or not put that thing up. Whatever the word it's called, or at least use that thing. Wait, I know who. Did somebody needed help? Oh, hi Dad, I don't know where you're at, but hi. I need your help to power this thing up. Sure, I could do anything for you, son or daughter, I don't even know. Okay, yeah, you could just power that thing up right here if you could see it, and I could just be right here. Okay. Okay, I finally got here. Look like she's right here, but I got this. Look like it powering up. I can't make it any longer. Goodbye, daughter or son. I don't know what you are right now, but goodbye. No, don't go. Go. Ah. feel like it might need to laugh for a bit, but not like that power energy is clear. Did that, you know, like I just got my dad back from my new universe, but now he's gone. I lost both of my parents. No. Hey, Lightning Dude, Steel, I'm just letting you know that your power not potential, the power percentage went up to 100. I'm at 1000%. Nice, but I'm really not in the mood, yo. Okay, you could always tell me later, Lightning Dude. I know, I'm just really upset right now. Plus, this is this new room, and I don't want to go in there yet. Well, I could at least get some rest for tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm gonna test some multiple things out tomorrow, so yeah.